we were 15, I remember the car rides, small fights, conversations all night. I never saw you as anything more than a friend, but now I see you in a new light. We're getting older, there's a sparkle in your eyes that wasn't there before. You give me butterflies, it makes me wonder if there could be something.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So today's video is going to be some speed cleaning motivation. Nothing crazy today, but I still think it's a good video and I hope it motivates you and inspires you to get some stuff done today to tackle your to-do list. So if you're brand new here, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it so I know that you like it, and let's just jump into it. I am going to start in my living room and I'm going to let some music play for now, but I will be back in just a little bit.
We were only kids when we first met. Now let's discover where we have been yet. I don't wanna wonder what could have been. So baby, take my hand and let my love in. We were only kids when we first met. Now let's discover where we have been yet. I don't wanna wonder what could have been. So baby, take my hand and let my love in. When we were 15, I remember car rides, small fights, conversations all night. I never saw you as anything more than a friend, but now I see you in a new light. We're getting older, there's a sparkle in your eyes that wasn't there before. You give me butterflies, it makes me wonder if there could be something more. We were only kids when we first met. Now let's discover where we have been yet. I don't wanna wonder what could have been. So baby, take my hand and let my love in. We were only kids when we first met. Now let's discover where we have been yet. I don't wanna wonder what could have been. So baby, take my hand and we were only kids when we first met. Now let's discover where we have been yet. I don't wanna wonder what could have been. So baby, take my hand and let my love in.
So if you're brand new here, hey, what's up? My name is Jessa. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and clicking on this video. I generally upload cleaning motivation videos every Friday and Sunday. But like I said, if you are brand new here, I do have an ongoing series on my channel called my Home Refresh series. We pretty much live in a fixer-upper, and we are really in the middle of what I like to call refreshing it. It feels more than I don't know, more than cleaning, but not enough to call it like a full reno. And what we are doing is we are essentially painting our entire house, which is why a lot of these clips you'll see like chipped paint or paint missing from the walls. It's definitely on my list and I am working on it. But definitely check out the playlist down below in my description box if you'd like to join me on this journey or just get caught up. Like I said, we are wrapping it up. I only have a few more spaces to go, but those spaces are pretty intimidating and I do have a lot of work to get done in those spaces. But yeah, so I hope you guys choose to stick around. Like I said, I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family. I'm going to wrap up here in my living room and then I'm going to move on into my kitchen.
I wish I could walk away Wish I didn't have to see your face again. I wish I could, but I can't. I wish I could just say no. Wish I knew how to tell you what I want. I wish I could, but I can't. It's been killing me. Oh, it's been killing me. If only I could go back, only I had known that you would break me down, down, down. If only it were easy to hurt you like you hurt me, maybe we wouldn't be here right now. Here right now. Here right now. Now. I wish I could tell the truth. Wish I didn't have to play pretend with you. I wish I could, but I can't. I wish I could make things change. Wish everything wasn't stuck this way. I wish I could, but I can't. It's been killing me. Oh, it's been killing me. Oh, if only I could go back. Here right now. Now, now, now. Here right now. Now, now, now. If only I could go back. If only I had known that. If only, if only, if only. If only I could go back, only I had known that you would break me down, down, down. If only it were easy to hurt you like you hurt me, maybe we wouldn't be here right now. Here right now. Here right now. Here right now.
So once I am done with these dishes, I am actually going to tackle my fridge. It's definitely something that I need to do more often, but I definitely like to slack on that. If you guys do not know, Fridays are actually my day to get it all done. I know a lot of people do all of their prep on Sundays, mainly, like get ready for the week and stuff like that. But I've actually flipped that and I've started doing everything really in 2020 is when I started. And I do everything on Fridays, and it's honestly, I'm never going back. It's so nice to be done with everything Friday night. So I do like all my grocery shopping either like Thursday night or Friday morning. And then I try to like power clean the house all day Friday. So it is really, really nice to roll into the weekend with a clean house and a full fridge and food prepped for the weekend, because that was like a huge issue with Chris and I is I would normally like prep on Sundays, kind of like everybody else does, but like Saturday and Sunday day, like we wouldn't have any food in the house, so we would be more likely to get takeout or just like kind of like eat some unhealthy food. So I flipped it and I've started doing it on Fridays. And I gotta say, like I really encourage you guys to try it out because I think you will really enjoy it. Like I said, it's really like just the best feeling in the whole wide world to go into the weekend with a full fridge and like meals prepped and to have like a clean house. So that way, like those precious days that you do have with your family, like on the weekend, you can actually spend them with your family and not, cooking or cleaning like for the week ahead. So yeah, that's actually why I'm cleaning out my fridge in this video. Is I was getting ready to go grocery shopping and kind of stock up. But and again, that's kind of why I upload on Fridays as well, is because I wanted to encourage you guys to kind of get it all done with me if you guys wanted to. So I'm going to tackle my fridge. It's a little bit of a hot mess. I don't do the whole thing. I didn't do the bottom two drawers of the fridge. They just didn't really need it. But I did do the rest of the fridge. And then we're going to wrap up in my kitchen and we'll be almost done.
It ain't that simple. You try to make things seem so superficial, and I won't have it. Why you lying? Acting like you're innocent. I see you trying to work your magic, and I know that I fell for it in the past, but now I'm stronger than I was before. Yeah, I know that I fell for it in the past, but now I'm stronger. I'm stronger, stronger than I was before. Stronger than I was before. So what's the problem? I got mine, you got yours, everybody's got them. I'm just saying, for your information, you ain't gonna get an explanation. You won't. And I know that I fell for it in the past, but now I'm stronger than I was before. Yeah, I know that I fell for it in the past, but now I'm stronger. I'm stronger, stronger than I was before. Stronger than I was before. It ain't that simple. Stronger than I was before. Stronger than I was before.
Sorry for being a mess. I gave my best, but was too late. But was too late. Yeah. We talk about this, can't forget. I'm seeing you in everywhere. In everywhere. Every time we have a day, but unrealistic. I know that you like it, baby boy, and I miss that. Can't be like we used to, like we used to. Can't be like we used to, like we used to. Every time we have a day, I shouldn't ever have to feel this way, but every time I try to walk away.
So my kitchen is done, and before I head out of here, guys, I just wanted to share with you a really quick recipe that I have been loving. My whole family has been loving. It'll be super quick, and that's why I included it at the end of the video. I know not everybody is here for recipes, just wanted to get the cleaning motivation, but I figured what the heck, so I am including it at the end of this video. I am making broccoli cheddar soup. This is not my recipe. I got this from off Pinterest. I'll have it linked down below in the description box. I just don't want to take credit for someone else's recipe. So for this recipe, I am combining 8 ounces, like a block of cream cheese that's already been softened in the microwave, 2 cups of chicken broth that I also heated in the microwave, and 2 cups of water, along with 2 tablespoons of softened butter. So I'm just kind of like mashing everything together. It doesn't need to be perfect, but I really wanted to get that cream cheese like broken down just so it's not like sitting like a block. And I actually turned my crock pot on high for this, just to kind of help everything kind of mesh together or melt together. Once it's kind of, looking a little bit better, I added a 1 cup of heavy cream or whipping cream. I stirred that, and then a half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. So once your sauce kind of starts to come together, the recipe says that it should be well combined, and mine definitely was not well combined. I've made this multiple times, and it's never, like, it's always lumpy. So now I'm adding 5 cups of broccoli florets. I just chopped them up really small, and it is important that your florets are really small so they all cook pretty evenly. You can season this however you want. I seasoned it with chives, salt, and pepper. The recipe says to add thyme to it, but I was out of time. I was out of time. I'm sorry, that was such a dad joke. So, in any case, I'm going to cover and cook this on low for 3 hours, or you could cook it on high for 80 minutes. So I just like stir it just to make sure that everything's all combined. Like I said, it will still be lumpy, but in my experience, it hasn't been a big deal. So 3 hours later, this is what it looks like. Like I said, the cream cheese is definitely a little lumpy, but it definitely, like, I just don't worry about it. I know it looks weird, but it'll be fine with when it's all done. So I turn my crock pot off and I add 2.5 cups of shredded cheddar cheese and just mix that in. And then I just let it sit for a half an hour and kind of let it thicken and kind of just all come together. If you are low carb or keto, you could totally just eat the broccoli cheddar soup. Technically, this soup is keto. This was actually my cheat meal this week, so I had a big serving of crusty bread with it, and it was absolutely delicious. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. Like I said, I really appreciate it. I will absolutely have the recipe linked down below. I hope this video motivated you and inspired you, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.